Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are tackling one of the biggest questions in project management. Trello or Monday.com? Which one should you choose to keep your projects on track and your team organized? So let's begin. Let's begin with Trello. It is a popular cloud-based collaboration and project management tool designed to help individuals and teams organize, track, and manage tasks and projects visually. It is known for its simplicity and flexibility, allowing users to create boards, lists, and cards to plan workflows and collaborate in real time. If you're planning to try Trello with its introductory prices, these comes at free, $0, good for individuals at teams looking to organize any project. The standard comes at $5 for small teams that need to manage work and scale collaboration, and of course they have the premium, which is $10. The enterprise comes at $17.50. And if you wanted to test waters by signing up for a free account, just click this button right here and you would be forwarded to this option wherein you can choose from any of the following accounts. You can use your Google, your Microsoft, your Apple, or even Slack. Once you have successfully created an account here with Trello, you should be getting a welcome email from the team, and all you have to do is click this button right here. Once you have successfully logged into your Trello account, you would notice one of the key features of Trello is the boards, wherein you can use boards to represent projects or categories. All right, so for example, we're going to create a board wherein we can choose from any of the following template: basic board, Kanban, daily task management, simple project board, and a lot more. For example, if you want to browse the full template gallery, you are welcome to do that. From here, maybe you can choose something like for design purposes. So let's click the design project template. And if you wanted, you can start with this. Click the use template section. All right. And we're going to rename it as this one. Click on create. It would forward you to this dashboard wherein you have the list right here. The lists within each board you can create to represent different stages of process. For example, this is going to be something like, let's edit that, video production. All right. And then this one is probably editing creatives. This is applicable to our Deep Labs YouTube channel because we are a handful of individuals who handles all of the back-end stuff. So it's we always use Trello to communicate with others, and we put in the task. For example, this we put it here and we put it there to make sure that all of the individual tasks or item that move through the list, because each card can contain detailed information such as descriptions, checklist, attachments, due dates, and comments. All right, it's very useful for us or any team that want to collaborate on boards and cards by assigning tasks, commenting, tagging members, and sharing files. It also offers a real-time updates, ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Now, if you go to the Power Up section, that would bring you to the integrations with a variety of tools, as you can see it from here. These are additional features for integrations that enhances the Trello's functionality, such as calendar views, reporting, or automation. All right. You can also share this to your team collaborator. For example, if we're working with multiple or freelancers, with your team members, or with your client, you can put in the member or observer only, and you can simply create the link and send it to them to your social media channel. All right, so you have all these options for you. Now, if we go to our next contender, which is Monday.com, it is also a cloud-based work operating system, or work OS, designed to help individuals, teams, and organizations plan, manage, and track projects and workflows efficiently. It provides a flexible visual and customizable platform where users can organize tasks in real time. If you're interested to know about the pricing, if you click on it, you would notice that they offer a generous free account, which is $0 for 2 seats. The basic comes at $9. The standard is at $12. The Pro, which is the most popular, comes at $19, and you have all these perks and benefits for you. All right, you can compare plans if you wanted, and the enterprise is something of a big commitment that requires contacting the sales department. You also have an option to go for the CRM. The basic is at $12, standard at 17, the pro at 28, and for the dev plan, basic is 9, standard is 12, pro is 20, and again, the enterprise is something that you might want to consider because it's a big commitment. But for that, you might want to click the get started option first, so you can test the waters by clicking on the free trial. You can use your Google account or you can use your business email. Once you have successfully created your account here at Monday.com, you should be able to receive a welcome email from the team and simply click the go to my account, and this would forward you to the dashboard. Now, once you are logged in, again, you would notice that one of the key features of Monday.com is the visual work spaces. All right, if you want to create a new workspace here or add an item, you can add a new one. You can add a board, doc, dashboard, form, or folder. All right, the board consists of customizable rows right here, and it adds a track to for the columns to for the tasks, data, in progress. Similarly here in the three dots icon, you can manage your workspace. You can edit that, rename workspace right here if you want. It would be forwarded here. You can also have to enable the desktop notifications on this computer, right? The plus icon if you want to invite members. Just put it here. For example, if you're working with multiple freelancers or even your client, you can add them here. You can set the permission level to a member or viewer read-only access, which is free. All right, all I have to do is enter their email address on the side. Now, if you go here at the Monday.com marketplace, you would notice that these are going to be some of the integrations that Monday.com offers. All right, you can connect seamlessly with other tools like, DocuGen, Workflow, Superform, Google Sheets, and better. Right, there's a lot to choice. There's a lot of choice that you can select with. All right, Canva Connect, column to column, easy spreadsheet export, dependency mapper, and a lot. Now, since we are both using Monday.com and Trello, let me tell you that you might want to choose Monday.com if, say, for example, you manage multiple projects with complex workflows. All right, for example, you're working with a lot of clients at the same time, or maybe your team needs advanced reporting and collaboration tools. Scalability and customization are your priorities. Or maybe if you are looking for something that needs a structured workflows, I suggest that Monday.com is the right project management tool for you. On the other hand, you might want to choose Trello if you are managing a simple project or tasks, or if your team is very small, like 1 to 3 or 4 to 5, or prefers a minimalist approach, or you need an affordable or free tool. Trello is the right tool for you. But both Trello and Monday.com are excellent project management tools. Again, they cater to different styles of organization and team needs like budget, goals, and essentials. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.